Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore the technology that is influencing our future. Today I'm incredibly excited because we're delving into Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is more than just a smartphone. It's a masterpiece that is changing the rules of what's possible. Samsung has mastered battery life in addition to performance. With its 500 mAh battery, the S25 Ultra allows for effortless all-day use. This phone adapts to your lifestyle whether you're working, streaming, or playing games. Additionally, Samsung 65W quick charging allows you to go from 0% to 100% in less than 30 minutes when you do need to recharge. Additionally, all of your accessories include wireless and reverse wireless charging capabilities. The key factor here is convenience. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a beast behind the hood. The most recent Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, which is constructed on a 3nm technique for blazingly quick performance, powers it, gains smooth multitasking and rapid app opening. This phone manages everything you throw at it with ease. So forget about lag. Additionally, you won't ever have to worry about running out of room for your programs, pictures, or movies thanks to up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. This phone works just as hard as you do, if not harder. Because the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is just stunning. Samsung continues to improve its unique style, and this time they've created something genuinely iconic. With a smooth glass and titanium shell, this phone exudes luxury in every way. The matte surface on the back not only looks great, but it also repels fingerprints like a pro. Now let's speak about the cameras, because the S25 Ultra does more than just snap images, it also makes memories. The 200MP primary sensor is unlike any we've seen previously. It catches incredible amounts of detail. Whether you're shooting in broad daylight or at night, Samsung's Nightography 3.0 helps low-light photographs appear brighter. The AI-enhanced night mode is so powerful that you can photograph stars and moonlight like a pro DSLR. And then there's the 10x periscope telephoto lens, which provides crystal clear zoom at unbelievable distances. Wildlife photography, sports, concerts, this phone's got you covered. The true showstopper though, the framing assistant using AI. It automatically determines the ideal compositions and angles for your pictures, transforming informal snapshots into images fit for a gallery. For those who make videos, Dolby Vision 8K cinematic recording is an option. It's stable, seamless, and prepared to share your story. When you unlock the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you'll see a 6.9-inch Quad HD Dynamic AMOLED 3x display. And gosh, this screen is a piece of art. With a 144Hz adjustable refresh rate, scrolling, gaming, and watching films feel more fluid than ever. So what is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's verdict? This is a leap into the future, not simply a phone. It's for the makers, the dreamers, and everybody else who want to hold the finest of the greatest. In every aspect, Samsung's gadget surpasses expectations rather than merely meeting them. I sincerely appreciate you coming along on this trip with me. Please remember to hit the like button, subscribe for more incredible tech stuff, and leave a comment below if you like this review. Which Galaxy S25 Ultra feature most impressed you? I would love to know what you think. Take care, remain motivated, and continue to explore the future with me until we meet again. I'll see you shortly.